Hello everyone, welcome to the all-new Kindle Paperwhite 4 2018 review. In this video I will show you unboxing, comparison with the previous generation and the waterproofness test. New Paperwhite has a new blue box which looks smaller than the previous one. Currently, New Paperwhite is only available in a black color. Package contains manuals and micro USB cable, however, it does not contain the plug. It fully charges in approximately 4 hours from a computer via USB cable, or it fully charges in less than 3 hours with 5-watt USB power adapter. Kindle can run up to 6 weeks on battery. Wi-Fi version weighs 182 grams, which is 9 grams less than the previous generation. New generation has 8 or 32 gigabytes of memory, whereas the previous generation had only 4 gigabytes. It's not possible to increase the memory with micro SD cards. Kindle has Bluetooth 4.2 version, so you can stream your books through Audible. The display has the resolution 1448 to 1072 pixels, which is 300 pixels per square inch. The display has 5 built-in LED lights, where the previous generation had only 4. I have to speed up this part a little bit. And now let's compare Kindle 4 to Kindle 3. The white one is Kindle Paperwhite 3 and the black one is the newest generation Kindle Paperwhite 4 2018. As you can see, Kindle Paperwhite 4 has sleeker design. Even though Paperwhite 4 is smaller and has sleeker design than the Paperwhite 3, you could use the back cover from the previous one if you already have one at home.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
And now, let's do the waterproofness test. As you can see, the touchscreen doesn't work if it's under the water. Oops, it looks like it doesn't work. But after making it dry, it works again. If you like the back cover, I will leave the link in the video description below, so you can order one.